Welcome to our tutorial on localization with dynamic routes using Next.js 14. In this first scene, we import the useRouter hook from Next.js, which allows us to access router properties such as locale and query. We're creating a functional component named LocalizedPage that renders the current locale and dynamic URL slug by destructuring them directly from the router object. This enables the page to display content that is tailored to the user's language preferences and the dynamic path segment such as N, products, shoe where N is the locale and shoe is the slug. In our second scene, we introduce a utility function to construct localized paths and a server-side redirection function. The getPath for locale function checks if the requested locale is the default locale. If it is not, it prepends the locale to the path. Meanwhile, redirect to localized path uses request headers to determine the best language for the user and then responds with a redirect to the localized path. This is particularly useful if you want to redirect users to their browser's preferred language version of your site automatically. In the third scene, we demonstrate how to fetch localized content on the server using the getServerSideProps function in Next.js. This function is asynchronous and uses the locale and param slug to request the appropriately localized content via an API or file. The fetched content is then passed as props to the React component, allowing dynamic server-side rendering of localized information. This is key in providing users with content in their preferred language without affecting client-side performance.